Mommy is feeding Zachy and then Zachy already knows how to sit down. Siya lang nag-hold.
Hi, Mommy.
Nag-feed lang.
Can you get me a tissue? Ah, no!
Sa kabila ng table.
Wala naman.
Ubus na.
Tomorrow,
Unsa may palitan ako, ma?
kailangan naman mag-prepare for next show.
Gerber, palit ka Gerber. Ha? Carrots.
Zachy's already done eating carrots.
Slow, konti-konti lang, Zaki. Yay!